Have you ever stepped into a luxurious hotel lobby or a beautifully staged show home and immediately thought, "Wow, it smells incredible in here"? That instant feeling of calm and comfort isn't just a coincidence. The truth is that amazing scent isn't coming from a basic plug-in air freshener or a quick spritz of cleaning spray. It's actually the result of a carefully chosen fragrance, placed with intention to create a specific mood and atmosphere. That clean, calming, and undeniably expensive aroma is a secret weapon that top designers and luxury hotels use to make every guest feel special, welcomed, and even a little pampered. Scent is just as important as those fluffy towels or perfectly arranged cushions. It's an invisible detail that can instantly shift your mood, making you feel relaxed, refreshed, or even energized the moment you walk in. In fact, scent is often the very first thing you notice when you enter a space, and it's also the last thing you remember long after you've left. The best part? You don't need a huge budget, a professional designer, or a fancy address to bring this luxurious touch into your own home. Anyone can do it, and it's surprisingly simple. I used to think that these incredible scents were just because the homes were brand new or spotlessly clean. But the real secret is that they have a signature scent, one that's chosen to make the space feel unique and memorable. Scent is like a hidden layer of design, working quietly in the background to transform an ordinary house into a luxurious escape, a place where you can truly unwind. The real trick is being intentional, selecting a fragrance that matches the mood you want to set, and placing it where it will greet you and your guests the moment you walk in. It's not about covering up bad smells or masking odors. It's about layering in a beautiful, welcoming atmosphere that feels both inviting and sophisticated. So, are you ready to give your home that special, welcoming and posh scent that makes every visit feel like a 5-star experience? Let's dive in and discover how you can create your own signature scent at home. Here's the real trick. What you're noticing is something called scent branding, and it's more powerful than you might think. Big brands and luxury hotels use a unique, carefully crafted fragrance to create an identity you remember long after you leave. It's not just about smelling nice, it's about making you feel a certain way and connecting that feeling to their brand. Hotels actually work with scent experts and perfumers to design a signature fragrance. Maybe it's crisp white tea, warm cedarwood, or creamy vanilla that's piped through their lobbies, hallways, and even elevators. That scent becomes part of their brand's personality, a silent promise of luxury, comfort, and a memorable experience every time you visit. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a 5-star hotel to bring this idea into your own home. Anyone can do it. Think about the atmosphere you want to create. Do you want your home to feel calm and serene, energetic and lively, or warm and cozy? The right scent can help you set that mood instantly. The fragrance you choose acts like a theme tune for your space, setting the tone every time you walk in the door and welcoming both you and your guests. It's a personal touch that makes your home uniquely yours, reflecting your style and personality in a way that's subtle but unforgettable. Don't just use air fresheners to cover up unwanted smells. Use scent as an intentional part of your decor, just like you would with art or furniture. The fragrance you pick is as important as your wall color, your sofa, or your favorite piece of art. It's a design choice that shapes how your home feels. Scent is your home's invisible signature. Make it brilliant, and let it tell your story every time someone steps inside. Why bother with a signature scent? Because smell is powerful. It's tied to memory and emotion. The right scent can turn a house into a true home, creating happy memories and a sense of comfort. Imagine coming home after a long day and being greeted by a familiar, calming fragrance. That scent signals to your brain, you're safe, you're home. It creates a consistent, comforting atmosphere. A signature scent also makes your home feel more luxurious and intentional. Guests might not name the scent, but they'll remember how welcoming your home felt. It's a subtle way to say, come in, relax, stay a while. Choosing a scent you love is a simple act of self-care. It's your personal stamp, making your home a place you truly love. Ready to pick your home's signature scent? Keep it simple, but make it personal. The right fragrance can transform your space, setting the mood and making every room feel inviting. Try the one floor, one scent rule. One main fragrance for downstairs, another for upstairs. This helps create a subtle transition as you move through your home, giving each level its own unique character. For shared spaces like the living room and kitchen, go for something fresh and inviting. Think citrus, white tea, or gentle herbs. These scents are universally appealing and help create a welcoming atmosphere for guests and family alike. Visit a fragrance shop, test scents, and see how they change over time. Scents can evolve as they settle, so give them a moment before deciding. Trust your gut. You'll know when you've found the one. Your senses will tell you if a scent feels right for your space. For upstairs, choose calming scents for bedrooms, lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood. These fragrances are perfect for winding down and creating a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. Bathrooms work well with clean, spa-like scents like eucalyptus or mint. These fresh aromas help keep the space feeling crisp and rejuvenating. Zoning your scents creates a journey through your home, with each area having its own mood. It's like curating a sensory experience for yourself and your guests. Don't rush. Enjoy the process of finding what feels right. Take your time, experiment, and let your preferences guide you. The goal? A home that smells as good as it looks, where every room tells its own story through scent. Let your scent choices reflect the atmosphere you want in each space, and enjoy the unique character they bring to your home. Here's the key: avoid scent chaos. Don't mix too many fragrances. It creates a confusing jumble. Stick to your signature scent and use it in different forms: diffuser, candle, room spray, for harmony. This creates a seamless scent experience, just like luxury hotels. For cleaning products or hand wash, pick neutral or complementary scents. Think of your signature scent as the star, with everything else supporting it. Be mindful of temporary smells like cooking. Air out the space before reintroducing your signature scent. Manage scent layers so your chosen fragrance always shines. Keep it simple and consistent for that effortlessly elegant vibe. That's the secret to a harmonious, inviting home. Let's break down scent families: woody, citrus, floral, and herbal. Woody scents, like sandalwood or cedar, are warm and grounding, perfect for living rooms. Citrus scents, lemon, bergamot, grapefruit, are fresh and energizing, ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Florals, jasmine, rose, lily, bring elegance and calm, great for bedrooms and hallways. Herbal scents, lavender, eucalyptus, mint, are natural and therapeutic, perfect for bedrooms and bathrooms. Match the scent to the room's purpose for the best effect. Think of it as another layer of decorating. Once you know the basics, you can mix and match to create the perfect mood. The right scent family transforms each space. Now, how do you fill your home with your signature scent? Layering is the secret. Start with a reed diffuser for a constant, subtle background fragrance, perfect for hallways and bathrooms. Add candles or wax melts when you want to boost the scent and create atmosphere. Candles add warmth and coziness, while wax melts give a powerful scent throw. Use a room spray for a quick refresh, great before guests arrive or after cooking. Layering different products in the same scent builds a rich, long-lasting aroma. Flip diffuser reeds weekly to keep the scent fresh. Mix diffusers, candles, and sprays to control intensity. That's how you make your home smell amazing, not overwhelming. Placement matters. Don't just stick a diffuser in a corner and hope for the best. Scent travels on air currents, so put diffusers in high traffic areas, like the hallway or near the front door. Avoid windows or radiators, which can waste your fragrance. Place candles centrally for the best scent throw, on a coffee table or in the middle of the room. In large rooms, use 2 smaller candles at opposite ends for balance. Height helps. Shelves or side tables at nose level work well. In bathrooms, a diffuser on the toilet tank or a shelf spreads scent with every movement. Use airflow to your advantage to carry your signature scent everywhere. Strategic placement makes your home smell inviting in every nook. That's the secret behind those unforgettable hotel and show home scents. Choose a signature fragrance and use it thoughtfully. It's the invisible finishing touch. Your home's scent is part of its personality, just like Decor. Have fun finding the fragrance that makes you smile every time you walk in. Whether it's zesty citrus or calming sandalwood, your scent tells your story. Don't be afraid to experiment until you find what fits. Once you do, let it become part of your home's identity. Your family and guests will love it, and you'll feel, I'm home every time. A beautiful scent is the ultimate welcome and the secret ingredient to a truly unforgettable home. Go on, find your home's theme tune and let it play.